episode 17. Here we go.
You should get one of those like action boards.
Oh, cut or action. Hello, world. All right, let's start that again. How do I address the people? All right, so we are here. Kind of fast forward some steps. We took the upper timing covers off. Ricky's working on the lower timing cover right now. This is the back of the engine. I'm going to talk about this clutch. So this is a stock clutch that was on this car. This car did have a stage 2 tune on it because of all of the horsepower that it had in it, which realistically, I don't really know if there's anything upgraded in this engine or not. So I was sold a big fat lie. It is what it is. The friction disc, this is basically what connects your engine to your transmission. So this is how you're going to get your power to your wheels. As you can tell on the backside, there is 2 different types of friction material on this. So this, you stop banging. Essentially, it's allowing you to slip your clutch, but grab when you need to grab. So this is a upgraded quote unquote clutch. It's not really like a performance clutch. It's just a slight upgraded. But because this is cooked and this is burnt, we're going to be replacing these. And then on top of that, we have this dual mass flywheel. This is what spins all the time. Whenever you turn on the motor, this is going to be spinning at the same RPMs as the engine. This is your slip. Again, on new dual mass flywheels, you should not have this much play, but because we have this much play, I have to get a new dual mass flywheel. So in the RS world, because obviously everything is really expensive, this is like $2,000. The clutch is like another $1,000. So I'm $3,000 just in parts for this. Right now, you can kind of see what we got going on with the timing chains. So Sam Siliconator was here. So Sam, please get out of here. But this is all the extra sealant. And because I can see how bad this is, like this is terrible. Like this is absolutely terrible. This, if it were to have gone onto the chain before it dried, then the chain would have taken it all the way down here. And there's a chain that comes here. There's another chain that comes here. And then you have this big giant chain that kind of does this thing. You'll see Josh will put it into the video. If any of this crap went in there, it could have locked it up. It could have made the timing chain jump. We could have bent valves. I didn't do a compression test because I'm just wanted to get this motor out. So we will do a leak down test. I'll see if I have leak from the exhaust or from the intake. It just keeps getting better and better and better. Long story short, don't buy a not taken care of RS car because you are going to be in a world of hurt, and your wallet and your wife are going to be pissed on how much money you're spending on this car. But this always has been a dream car for me, and I can't wait to bring this thing back to life. So enjoy and watch us take this thing apart. But yeah, you got these out, these out, these out. You got all these guys out. Yep. I'm not gonna break this $1,000 timing cover. So it's almost loose. It's, yeah, it's solid over here. All this is moving.
Oh, hold on, wait a minute. This little gunked up bolt over here.
Gunked up bolt?
Pass me the... Pretty sure you graduated school.
He actually just graduated yesterday, or 2 days ago. Oh my gosh. Big guns. Ricky, we're supposed to be at lunch right now.
Hey, I'm not stopping you up.
No, you need to go to lunch.
Where's my light going?
There's probably another gunked up bolt somewhere. I wouldn't be surprised. And the part, just like the other Audi that I messed up, when the cover went in, it bent it here and I broke the head gasket. The head gasket is underneath this timing cover. So you got to put the rear timing cover on and then put the heads on. Brilliant engineering. It's jamming. Yep.
Oh no. Feel that. Oh yeah, well that's not good. Well, let's get to it.
The swirls in it, is that metal in there?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's all that glitter stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good. I thought it was gonna be worse, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
But that's not terrible. I would figure all these would be like missing. Realistically,
Yeah.
these would all be. Oh wow, that's tight.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So it's not as bad.
No, it's not as bad. It's basically just.
I would, yeah, all new guides, new chains. We're here, so might as well just do it.
Mhm.
And then all this is going to be parts washer and cleaning and.
Yeah.
Jeez. Okay.
Oh,
cool.
do you want to look at the valves?
Ew! It looks like black boogers. It looks like the beans I'm eating right now. That's gross. Yeah, dude, this thing needs like a. The thing is, we got to do a leak down test first. We got to do a leak down to see if the valves are leaking or not.
So I'd say just take off the heads and just do the leak down test. Like,
If I take off the heads, I'm just going to send it to the machine shop. It's just more money I'm going to be spending, but it is what it is. I'd rather get them like checked and inspected. Ooh. I'm going to tag Freddie in this video. Can we borrow your hot tank to clean all this crap up? Please, to veg? Because that would be ideal. We just put the whole engine in the hot tank and boil it.
because man, this thing is gross.
Yeah. The last thing, let's take the valve covers off and let's see how bad the valve train is. Because if the valve train is all gunked up and like this, pull the heads, let's get to the block.
Yeah.
We still haven't even got to the rods. Because the rods is what's making the noise. So we have to keep going. But I guess it's not terrible. We were actually expecting all these guides to be missing and broken and all the tensioners to be broken. But it's all there. So I'm pretty confident that we won't have valve damage. But we 100% have bottom end damage. So
At this point, I feel like you should just do a whole engine rebuild on it, like straight from zero. I mean, an RS4, it's gonna be your baby, so you should just.
yeah, that's true. Okay. Thanks, Frankie. Just tack on another $4,000. All right, let's do it. Complete rebuild.
I mean, I just being realistic. I don't want you to, like,
Kids, get into drugs. Don't get into cars because this is way more expensive. Golly, this is.
do drugs, don't do cars.
Oh my. Whatever. I should make that a shirt.